So these incredible lashes are from Lash London, and this one right here is the Magnetic Lash Duo, which comes with the magnetic eyeliner. And then I've got the 3D faux mink lashes here that comes with the clear adhesive, which looks really amazing because it's like a felt tip, so it's really easy to apply. I'll show you how they look on. So I've just done my one eye with the magnetic eyeliner, and I'm going to go and do the other one. So I've already applied the first eyelash. I find it easier to use my fingers. So I'm just going to attach this one. Make sure the magnet's down, that's full on stuck on, and that is how easy it is to apply magnetic eyelashes. It's fantastic because I really struggle to apply false eyelashes, and this makes it so much easier. And they're also offering you guys free shipping when you spend over £30, and if you use my code Tyne-Lexy15 you'll also get 15% discount, so make sure you swipe up and go and check it out. Also, for those of you that don't like eyeliner, you can use their magic pen, which is incredible. It's literally like a felt tip, so you just apply that, let it dry for a couple of seconds. So it's completely clear adhesive, just like a felt tip pen, and you stick those magnets onto it and that is not coming off. It's fantastic, so easy to do, so make sure you swipe up to go and check them out.